Imagine a weekend where your biggest chore is just deciding whether to relax by the pool or enjoy a quiet morning in the sunny courtyard. It's all about having a home that works for you, with plenty of space to host friends, but without the endless garden maintenance. Sarel and I have helped many families find the perfect home here. Join us and see if this one is perfect for you. If you can see yourself enjoying a sunset in this space, reach out to us. Let's arrange a time for you to come and see it for yourself.